Okay, let me explain the normalizing process. The first one is recovery stage, and the second one is recrystallization stage, and the third one is grain growth stage. The first one for the normalizing process is recovery stage. During the recovery stage, a furnace or other type of heating device is used to raise the material to a temperature where its internal stress are relieved. For the second one is recrystallization stage. During the recrystallization stage, the material is heated above its recrystallization temperature but below its melting temperature. This causes new grains without pre-existing stress to form. Okay, for the last one is grain growth stage. During the grain growth, the new grains fully develop. This growth is controlled by allowing the material to cool to room temperature via contact with air. The result of completing these three stages is a material with more ductility and reduced hardness. Subsequent operations that can further alter mechanical properties are sometimes carried out after the normalizing process. Basically there is 4 type of annealing, which is the first one is stress relief annealing, the second one is full annealing, and the third one periodization annealing, and the last one is process annealing. Okay, let me proceed in the first type of annealing, which is stress relief annealing. For the objective, the stress relief is to eliminate residual internal stress. For the process, it is to heat the material to a certain temperature, which is in the range 500 degrees Celsius until 650 degrees Celsius, and let it cool in the furnace. Okay, next is the full annealing. For the objective of annealing is to get fine grain, uniform structure, eliminate internal stress, reduce hardness, and improve machinability. For the process, heat the steel above AC3, which is in the range 20 degrees Celsius until 30 degrees Celsius, and preserve for a period of time in furnace. For the third type of annealing is periodization annealing. For the objective is to reduce hardness, uniform structure, improve machinability for quenching. For the process is to heat to temperature from 20 degrees Celsius until 30 degrees Celsius higher than AC1. The holding time should not be too long, generally from 2 until 4 hours by furnace cooling method or isothermal. For the last type of annealing is process annealing. For the objective of process annealing is to increase the ductility of the steel and the low carbon steel, which is allowed to undergo cold working without fracture. For the process of process annealing, it is required raise temperature up to somewhere just below ferrite austenite region. It also mostly used in sheet and wire industry. For the difference between annealing and normalizing is,
for normalizing, it is cool outside the furnace. Second, the rate of cooling is moderate in normalizing. Third, the more hardness, tensile strength and toughness. Fourth, austenite is transformed into medium pearlite. Fifth, grain size is less uniform. Second last is it small grain size, and lastly there are no such type of normalizing process.
Annealing process, cool in furnace, and the rate of cool is very slow in annealing. Next, less hardness, tensile strength and toughness. Next, austenite is transformed into coarse pearlite. Next, grain size is more uniform. Less grain size. Next, there are different types of annealing.